New at 6, a critical new development in the Kate Steinle murder trial. The defense team representing the man accused of killing her is asking the judge to make an unusual change to this case. NBC Bay Area's Sam Brock joins us in San Francisco this evening with this latest twist. Sam.
Raj, good evening. This would in fact be an extraordinary move if it's approved by a judge. We have learned that the defense in this case has filed a request to seal everything that happens in the pretrial motions, in the pretrial in this case, which means that all the evidence, all the discussions about what is and is not admissible would not be accessible to the public. The defense says you can partly blame President Trump and some inaccurate information.
The House will also vote on Kate's law.
President Donald Trump has spoken at length about the tragic death of Kate Steinle.
We respect the important role that the press plays.
So too has Attorney General Jeff Sessions and House Speaker Paul Ryan. In fact, they're all cited in this document filed by the Public Defender's Office, which says there has been, quote, widespread misinformation that is being disseminated. In some cases, the errors were initiated in an innocent manner, but regardless, they are prejudicial to the defendant's ability to receive a fair trial. Jose Inez Garcia Zarate, an undocumented immigrant, is accused of killing Steinle while she walked along the Embarcadero. The Public Defender's Office argues without a tighter lid on evidence, justice won't be served.
I could see why in the particular situation that we're in, given the fact that the federal government has basically milked this case for the sake of Trump's campaign, this would be something that requires more caution than in other criminal cases.
Hadar Aviram is a law professor at UC Hastings with a specialization in criminal law. She says she can't think of a single recent case where this kind of request has been granted. But she also acknowledges concerns about jury bias are legitimate, especially in a situation like this.
Cases that have provoked a huge amount of public outcry in the last few years have largely relied on false information or inaccurate information about what actually happened.
Now, the defense's motion goes through a line item of mistakes in information that's been presented so far, everything from where the shot was fired to how the defendant in this case acquired the weapon. Now, I spoke to the district attorney's office this evening. They tell me that they are planning on filing a response, their response to this motion, tomorrow morning, and they'll be arguing their position in court next Monday. Reporting live from San Francisco, that is the very latest. I'm Sam Brock. Back to you.
Okay, thank you, Sam.